Tuwing tinatanong puso ko, saan ba ang handong laging ikaw ang tinuturo? At sa aking paghakilap ng aking mga pangarap, laging sa'yo pumapatungo. Pag-ibig ko, ikaw ang aking payapa, ang aking hilom, di na laging payapa. Sagot sa
My love, today I choose you, and I will continue to choose you everything. In you, I found my soulmate, confidence, and my greatest love in the world. You brought out all the best in me. You accept me for who I am, and even in my most part. You embrace me and love me unconditionally. I'm very grateful and thankful for having you in my life. I can say we are a perfect match. From this day forward, I promise to be your partner in every adventure, your support in every challenge, and I will stand by your side through every high and low. I promise to laugh with you in times of joy, to comfort you in times of sorrow, and to be by your side always. You are my forever, and I am
Paan kung aking tahanan, o pag-ibig ko, ikaw ang aking payapa, ang aking hilom, di na langing payapa. Sagot sa aking tanong, ikaw ang kalmado kong hangin, ilaw ko sa dilim, sa bukas na darating. Ikaw ang gabay kong bituin, saysay at dahilan ko, buhay ng aking kwento, sa mundo kong puro pera, ikaw ang aking sigurado. Sigurado.
Happy anniversary!
Ay, muli yung mag-ipakita.
Happy anniversary!